Hey YouTube, welcome to episode 3 or 4 where I go through some of my work and break it down and kind of talk about all the aspects to it. This is a night for day from the Thai tourism commercial. We weren't supposed to shoot this in the evening, but time ran away from us. It was also raining. Got this textile factory, very textured. Yeah, let's start off with the key light. I had two 1200Ds with the parabolic reflectors, and I had a CTS or a CTO. So coming in over here and filling this little section up over here, and had one coming over here as well. We had 12 by 12 ultra bounce and just giving a little bit of lift. What was nice is that we had these practicals over here, and yeah, that was obviously just the natural environment, and you can see it's kind of edging a little bit over here, over here. Over here, we had behind there, we had a 600D, also with the CTS or CTO, and we kind of were just knocking it back into the section kind of over here, and that was just kind of giving some more lift. In the background, it's like a shop that they have, so what we did was we just bounced 600 CTO and CTS into the roof just to create some more room tone. But yeah, that's kind of it. Very simple. We got this really beautiful late afternoon kind of look, and I think it came out really nice. We shot this straight after the textile factory, and we basically just shifted the lights. Yeah, we got this kind of backy side light, 1200Ds. CTO or CTS, kind of running in here, heading over here. Over here by the door, I just put an Astera just above the camera, just to kind of give a little bit of shape and kind of match the tone of what was happening in the room. In the corner over here, I had a 600D CTO CTS, and I had that bouncing into the roof just to kind of create the lift and to create the room tone. You obviously have these practicals, which is a very common feature in Thailand. They have a lot of fluorescent lights, especially from the top. Just behind this little section over here, I had a little bit of a bounce as well. Yeah, and that's kind of it. It came out really nicely, I think, and does the frame justice. I was a little bit nervous because I didn't know if the lights that we had were going to create enough to kind of fill up such a big space, but luckily we had a bunch, and we could obviously place them in different places. So where the one light was fading off, we could obviously add another one to obviously just kind of create that balance and continuity. We're shooting on the area left, and we were just static here, and I think I was on the 24, and yeah, that's kind of it. We were also shooting with Blackmagic Pro Mist. Sorry, it was such a long time ago that I can't remember, but you can obviously see over here and over here blooming highlights. And yeah, that's it. Just a quick night for day. Yeah, just wanted to touch. This was like a really beautiful shoot, and especially being my first job in commercial ever and happening in Thailand. It was an amazing first entrance and experience into the film industry in Thailand. And see you on episode 4 for the last series, and then we're going to move on to something else. I'm thinking clean lighting setups, like high-key commercial lighting setups, or something else. Let me know what you guys would like to see, and we can make it happen. But anyway, thanks so much. Cheers.